How to create a Facebook group. If you are looking to create and set up your Facebook group, this video is for you. On your Facebook app, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then scroll down a bit, you will see a lot of options here. Continue to tap on group. With this selected, when you navigate to the top menus, you will see the plus icon which indicates to add your group. So proceed to tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear. When you scroll down a bit, you could see create a post or create a group. In this case, since we want to create a group, all we have to do is to tap on create a group. While this is selected, we have the option to name our group. In this case, I'm going to type something like example. After that, I will then have to give this group a privacy options, whether I want it to be public or private. In this case, I'm going to make it private. And what the private option means is only members can see who is in the group and what they post. You can't change this group to a public later. And with the visibility, you can either make it visible or hidden. So when it's visible, that means anyone can find this group, and when it is hidden, it's only members can find this group. So whichever option that best suits you, you can then proceed to select it. In this case, I'm going to tap on hidden. After that, I will then proceed to tap on create group. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading, and there we are. We can invite friends to join this group. Otherwise, we can proceed to tap on next. So you can continue to provide this group a cover photo, and once you are setting with all those things, then you proceed to tap on next, and you can give this group a description that you want to describe the group with. After that, then you proceed to tap on next. If you want to share anything to members, you can continue to tap on the message that you want to share it to your fellow members, and once you are done with everything, you can then continue to tap on done. In this case, I'm not going to create any post, so I'll then proceed to tap on close. A pop-up menu will appear. I'll proceed to tap on confirm. So this is the group that I just created. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.